Alright guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Barry. Today I'm going to be doing an oil change, 100,000 miles. And first up, I got a good lift, pretty cool lift. Now I'm just going to lift it up, do the oil change, should be quick. Here we go. Let's see how fast I can do this. Okay, open that cap. There we go. Now I can drain this easier. Now to raise the car. Which one is it? And up. Ooh. Go, go, go. This is about to take forever. But yeah, this car looks really good. The folks are telling me I need to hurry up because I only got like 30 minutes to clean up this place and use it. But hey, I need to use it. I need to do this because 100,000 miles, man, oil's bad. Got the drain right there, and I got that. And that comes out. This goes on. Might have to raise this. All right, I like to use the oil filter first because, well, just because it makes it less of a mess later on. Catch this oil, let's go. Wow. Oil's kind of dark. Slid out. Nice. Alright, that's for later. I need this. Push this forward. K&N 7018. Taking out the old ring, putting in the new ring. Ah, that's hot. Holy crap. Oh, this hurts. All right, that's in. I want to clean out some of the interior stuff. Okay. This thing needs to fit in, come on. Ah, there we go. Yeah. All right, let's put this thing back. Cleaned area. Yep. Got the filter housing. Let's put it in there. Put that in. Tighten. Okay. That's good. Now time to drain. 14 millimeter. Oh, that's very tidy. Oops. Lefty, loosey, let's go. Oh my God, this is getting hot. Oh, I saved it. And this thing's coming out strong. All right, well, that's draining. Let's see what else I got here. Inspection time. Okay. 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 Oh, first time I ever see this. The wheels. Wheels are good. Wheels are good. Okay. Well, this is what Lexus RCF underneath looks like. My figs, solid bushings, arc exhaust. Damn, this thing's still draining. Let's position it a little bit better. While that's happening, I'm gonna put this back. Oh, wrong way. Okay, yep. Just 3 screws with the Lexus screwdriver or a 10mm. Never been rushed by a shop to do an oil change before. Okay, that's good. I will need this. Yep, still going. Oh, and stop, come on. Okay. Let's tighten this up. Hand tighten's really all you need. Okay, let's add oil. So low. Okay. And drop. I haven't timed myself yet, but I think I'm at like 10 minutes. Okay, all the way down. Oh, now time to add the oil. Bring it up, and then someone told me it's a twist. Oh, look at that, it's a twist. Okay, and pull. All right, I know this whole thing is going in, so that should be easy. Okay, all is good. Time to wrap this up. You know, I do need to empty that too. Let's do it. Man, that's what you should change it out. 100,000 miles. Everything's good, nothing's wrong, and okay. Time to back this car up. Okay. Car's still roaring. Let's reverse. Let it idle a little bit. But so far so good. I'm good to go. Now we got one more thing. Go to settings and then go to system maintenance or maintenance system. Initialize, yep, and it's complete. By doing that, now you're able to go for another 5,000 miles, and then once it'll do the little triangular warning sign, it says, okay, time to change oil, okay, and just do it. But anyways, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. That right there is my 100, let me show you, my 100,000 mile RCF oil change. Now, yeah, I missed it by 44, but you know what? I had to do it. Anyways, again, thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys have any questions about the car, 100,000 miles, I have a 100,000 mile video review video that I should have just posted before this. But yeah, anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. See you next video. Peace.